Why are the sidewalls of my upright Frigidaire freezer very hot to touch on the outside? This freezer has just been put back into service after more than a year. I just replaced the run capacitor and the unit cooled down overnight down to 15 to 20 degrees and is holding. I noticed the hot sidewalls with a few hours after it began to run. This morning the alarm was sounding but the unit was still cooling and cycling.
Do you know the model of your Frigidaire freezer?
LFFH 2067 DW2.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire freezer? What have you tried so far?
The defrost time was replaced a few years ago. Shortly after that the compressor would come for a few seconds and the click and stop running. I'm trying to put the unit back into service, so after diagnosing the compressor problem I changed the part and the unit seemed to be running well and cooling well, but the sidewalls are very hot.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The only thing that I can add is that when I noticed the alarm sounding I just turned it off for a few hours. I then turned the switch back on and the alarm stayed silent.
The side of the freezer get hot as the heat inside of the freezer is replaced with cold air. This is normal and will get warm as the freezer gets colder.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.